After decades of being relegated to science fiction, today AI is a part of our everyday lives. The surge in AI development is made possible by the sudden availability of large amount of data and the corresponding development and wide availability of computer systems that can process all that data faster and more accurately than humans can. AI is completing our words as we type them, providing driving directions when we ask, vacuuming our floors, and recommending what we should buy or binge watch next. Interesting, right? Well, if you're really an AI aspirant, stay tuned as in this session, we will be briefly discussing the AI roadmap for 2021. Let's look at the agenda for this session. We will first start with understanding what is artificial intelligence and the importance of artificial intelligence. After that, we'll see what are the AI subsets and use cases. Later, we will discuss the AI roadmap for 2021 based on career, skills, and job role. So let's start with understanding what is artificial intelligence. The beginnings of modern AI can be traced to the classical philosophers' attempt to describe human thinking as a symbolic system. But the field of AI wasn't formally founded until 1956 at a conference at Dartmouth College in Hanover, where the term artificial intelligence was coined. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? In computer science, the term artificial intelligence refers to any human-like intelligence exhibited by computer, robot, or any other machines. In popular usage, artificial intelligence refers to the ability of computer or machine to mimic the capabilities of the human mind, learning from examples and experiences, recognizing objects, understanding and responding to language, making decisions, solving problems, and combining these and other capabilities to perform functions a human might perform. So, why is artificial intelligence so important? The first reason is artificial intelligence will open job opportunities. Some believe that AI can create even more new jobs than ever before. According to this school of thought, AI will be the most significant job engine the world has ever seen. Artificial intelligence will eliminate low skilled jobs and effectively create massive high skilled job opportunities that will span all sectors of the economy. The next reason is that artificial intelligence will eliminate the need of you to perform tedious tasks. AI is changing the workplace, and there are plenty of reasons to be optimistic. It is used to do lots of tedious and lengthy tasks, especially the low skilled types of jobs that are labor intensive. It means that employees will be retasked away from boring jobs and bring significant and positive change in the workplace. The next reason is that AI adds intelligence to existing products. In most cases, AI will not be sold as an individual application. Rather, products you already use will be improved with AI capabilities, much like Siri, which was added as a feature to a new generation of Apple products. Automation, conversational platform, bots, and smart machines can be combined with large amount of data to improve many technologies at home and in workplace, from security intelligence to investment analysis. The next reason is that AI achieves incredible accuracy. It achieves accuracy through deep neural networks, which was previously impossible. For example, your interaction with Alexa, Google Search, and Google Photos are all based on deep learning, and they keep getting more accurate the more you use them. In the medical field, AI techniques from deep learning, image classification, and object recognition can now be used to find cancer on MRIs with the same accuracy as highly trained radiologists. Moving ahead, let's see the subsets of artificial intelligence. The two major subsets of AI include machine learning and deep learning. The easiest way to understand the relationship between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning is to think of artificial intelligence as the entire universe of computing technology that exhibits anything remotely resembling human intelligence. AI systems can include anything from an expert system, a problem-solving application that makes decisions based on complex rules or if-then logic. Machine learning is a subset of AI applications that learns by itself. It actually reprograms itself as it digests more data. Machine learning is a method that is used to achieve AI by giving a machine a set of data and asking it to learn to predict a real life outcome. Within machine learning, you can have supervised or unsupervised machine learning based on the availability of target variable or the output. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning where artificial neural networks and algorithms inspired by the human brain learn from large amount of data. Similar to how we learn from experience, the deep learning algorithm would perform a task repeatedly, each time tweaking it a little more to improve the outcome. Moving ahead, let's look at some of the AI use cases. The first one is face detection and recognition. Using virtual filters on our face when taking pictures and using Face ID for unlocking our phones are two applications of AI that are now a part of our daily lives. The former incorporates face detection, meaning any human face is identified. The latter uses face recognition through which a specific face is recognized. The next use case is text editor and autocorrect. When you're typing out documents, there are inbuilt or downloadable autocorrecting tools for editors that check for spelling mistakes, grammars, readability, and plagiarism depending on their complexity. It must have taken you a while to learn your language before you became fluent in it. Similarly, artificial intelligence algorithms also use machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing to identify incorrect usage of language and suggest corrections. The next use case are chatbots. As a customer, getting queries answered can be time consuming. An artificially intelligent solution to do this is the use of algorithms to train machines to cater to customers via chatbots. This enables machines to answer frequently asked questions and track orders. Chatbots are taught to impersonate the conversational styles of customer representatives through natural language processing. Advanced chatbots no longer require specific format of input. They answer complex questions requiring detailed responses. The next use case is search and recommendation algorithms. When you want to watch your favorite movies or listen to songs or perhaps shop online, have you noticed that items suggested to you are perfectly aligned with your interests? This is the beauty of artificial intelligence. These smart recommendation systems learn your behavior and interest from your online activities and offer you a similar content. The personalized experience is made possible by continuous training. It is then able to predict your preferences by recommendations that keep you entertained without having to search any further. Moving ahead, let's discuss the AI roadmap for 2021. First, let's discuss based on career. A career in artificial intelligence is not one size that fits all. So, if you're interested to start a career in artificial intelligence, here's what you can do. To start off, get a bachelor's degree in subjects like computer science, information technology, mathematics and statistics, or even finance or economics. It's the first step towards achieving your goal of having a career in artificial intelligence. It is important to remember that to have a career in AI, you need to have relevant skills along with your degree. Since artificial intelligence is the buzzword of today's tech world, it is advisable to take up online and training programs to improve your skills. Ideally, a bachelor's degree could only help you land an entry-level job like junior machine learning engineer or junior data scientist. So once you get a job and get into the industry and understand how things work, you can plan your future career. Talking about positions entailing supervision, leadership, or administrative roles, you need to have a master's degree or a PhD. It's best to have a master's degree that offers advanced computer science education with a specialization in artificial intelligence or a master's degree in artificial intelligence. The master's program generally focuses on developing professionals. The robust coursework entails real world problems and application domain. A relevant master's or PhD degree can help you land a job at senior level, like senior machine learning engineer or AI engineer. A relevant master's degree or PhD degree can help you land a job at a senior level, like senior machine learning engineer or AI engineer, or even robotics engineer with a good salary hike. But even after landing a job, it is important to fine tune your technical skills. To be an AI engineer, one needs to be up to date with the latest skills and technologies. AI engineers are not just skilled professionals but have in depth practical and theoretical knowledge. Having a practical approach towards these technologies will help you gain an edge over other competitors. Additional add on AI certification programs will win you a brownie point while seeking jobs in AI. Moving ahead, let's see the roadmap based on skills. So let's look at the skills you need to master. The first skill required to become an AI engineer is programming. To become well versed in AI, it's crucial to learn programming languages such as Python, R, Java, and C++ to build and implement models. In-depth knowledge of computer software fundamentals, starting from data structures, trees, graphs, linear programming, and computer architecture, is required, as the role of an AI engineer would be to simulate a machine to behave like a human. Hence, without understanding the working principle of systems, it would be difficult to cope. The next skill is linear algebra, calculus, and statistics. It is recommended to have a good understanding of the concepts of matrix, vectors, and matrix multiplication. Moreover, knowledge in derivatives and integers and their application is essential to even understand simple concepts like gradient descent. While statistical concepts like mean, standard deviation, and Gaussian distributions, along with probability theory for algorithms like naive Bayes and Gaussian mixture, are necessary to thrive in the industry. The next skill is neural network architectures. Machine learning is used for complex tasks that are beyond human capabilities to code. Neural networks have been understood and proven to be by far the most precise way of countering many problems like translation, speech recognition, and image classification, playing a pivot role in AI department. The next skill is signal processing techniques. Competence in understanding signal processing and ability to solve several problems using signal processing techniques is crucial for feature extraction, which is an important aspect of machine learning. Then we have time frequency analysis and advanced signal processing algorithms like wavelets, curvelets, and bandlets. A profound theoretical and practical knowledge of these will help you solve complex situations. The next skill is communication and problem solving skills. AI engineers need to communicate correctly to pitch their products and ideas to stakeholders. They should also have excellent problem solving skills to resolve obstacles for decision making and drawing helpful business insights. Next, let's discuss the roadmap based on job roles. So, there are various job roles that you can get with your knowledge in artificial intelligence. So, the first one is AI engineer. Artificial intelligence engineers are responsible for developing, programming, and training the complex networks of algorithms that make up AI so that they can function like a human brain. This role requires combined expertise in software development, programming, data science, and data engineering. Though this career is related to data engineering, AI engineers are rarely required to write the code that develops scalable data sharing. Instead, artificial intelligence developers locate and pull data from a variety of sources, create, develop, and test machine learning models, and then utilize application program interface calls or embedded code to build and implement AI applications. The average salary of AI engineer per annum is 8,70,000 rupees in India and $1,14,000 in the United States. The next job role is machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineers must possess strong software skills, be able to apply predictive models, and utilize natural language processing while working with massive data sets. Also, machine learning engineers are expected to know software development methodology, agile practices, and the complete range of modern software development tools, right from IDEs like Eclipse to components of continuous development pipeline. The average salary of a machine learning engineer per annum is 11 lakhs rupees in India and $1,14,000 in the United States. The next job role is as a data scientist. Data scientists are big data wranglers, gathering and analyzing large set of unstructured and structured data. A data scientist's role combines computer science, statistics, and mathematics. They analyze, process, and model data and then interpret the results to create actionable plans for companies and other organizations. Data scientists are analytical experts who utilize their skills in both technology and social science to find trends and manage data. They use industry knowledge, contextual understanding, and skepticism of existing assumptions to uncover solutions to business challenges. Average salary of a data scientist per annum is 10 lakh rupees in India and $1,13,000 in the United States. The next job role that we are going to discuss is robotic engineer. Robotics can automate jobs, but they require programmers working behind the scenes to ensure they function well. As a robotics engineer, their primary function is to build mechanical devices or robots that can perform tasks with commands from human. Other necessary skills required for this role include writing and manipulating computer programs, collaborating with other specialists, and developing prototypes. The average salary of robotics engineer per annum is 6 lakhs rupees in India and $84,000 in the United States. If you have any queries, please feel free to mention it in the comment section below. With this, we come to the end of the AI roadmap for 2021. If you have any queries, please feel free to mention it in the comment section below. With this, I close this session. Thank you and have a great day.